In this example, we're going to simplify the given expression, and we're going to try to ensure that our final answer is expressed only using positive powers. What I'm going to do first is try to simplify the fraction that's inside of our cubed root. So let's begin by looking at the numerical values. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Divided by 2 is 27. Now that we have our numerical values figured out, we'll go ahead and work with our variables. Since there's division happening here between our x's, we can subtract the powers. So we're going to get x to the 2 minus 5. Again, there's division happening between our y's, so we can subtract the powers to get y to the 4 minus 1. And all of this is still within our original cubed root. Simplifying our powers a little bit, we're going to get 27 x to the negative 3, y to the 3. And it's at this step where we're going to find it It's at this step where you might find it a bit more advantageous to rewrite the cube root as the power 1 over 3. Because now we can use the distributive property of our power to multiply or to distribute this 1 over 3. Because now we can use a distributive property to because now we can use one of our distributive properties. First, we're going to get 27 to the 1 over 3. Then we're going to get x to the negative 3 times 1 over 3. And finally, y to the power of 3 times 1 over 3. Remember that 27 to the 1 over 3 is the same thing as 27 with a cube root. And multiplying our powers together, we're going to get x to the negative 1, y to the 1. And multiplying our powers together here, we'll get x to the negative 1, y to the 1. And we can finish up here by taking the cube root of 27, which is 3, and dropping our x down into the denominator because it has a power of negative 1. So here's our final answer, 3y all over x.